everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to use focus mode in Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. You can activate focus mode to avoid distractions from your phone and stay focused on what you want. While focus mode is on, you can only use default apps. To begin, swipe up from the home screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Go to Focus Mode. Tap on Add. Now name your focus mode. Tap on Save. Now choose app that you want to use while focus mode is on. For that, tap on Add and select the app you want. Tap on Done. Tap on Start to start the mode. Please note some default apps will not support this feature. So now, as you can see, all the apps except for few chosen by you have become deactivated. So now you can stay focused on what you want. If you wish to deactivate this mode, then go to focus mode and then tap on End Focus mode. So this is how you can use focus mode in Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.